What does it take to build core strength? It takes commitment, patience, and a willingness to slow down. Breathe deeply and honor your body's limitations and capabilities. Yoga is so much more than just a physical practice. It's a way to cultivate strength, flexibility, and mental clarity all at once. And when it comes to building a stronger core, yoga is an incredibly effective way to get there. So let's start the new year by building our core strength with yoga. Sign up today for our 31 days of yoga core strengthening by clicking on the link below. The course begins January 1st, 2025, and is only available for $25 a month from January 1st to March 1st, 2025. After that, it will only be available as a standalone course and will cost a lot more. I can't wait to see you on the mat. Namaste. Sign up today for our 31 days of yoga core strengthening beginning January 31st. Nope. Oh dear. Okay.